Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today we reach to the 13th part of Ashtavakra Gita. So in last 12 parts we have covered 17 chapters, 17 adhyayas, and we are starting 18th adhyaya today. 18th Adhyaya is the longest of all the Adhyayas, and this is the conclusive Adhyaya of Ashtavakra's teaching. So, this Adhyaya consists of 100 slokas. So, we cover 1/5, 20 slokas of this Adhyaya today, and similarly 20 every day in 5 days. So, that is the plan for this. So, usual disclaimer that this Ashtavakra Gita is only for highly qualified and serious seekers of moksha. So, this 18th Adhyaya, Ashtadasha Adhyaya, is named as Swatasiddha Swatmadarshana, is the final Lakshya of sadhana. So, in whole of this Ashtavakra's teaching, there is never a mention of sadhana. But Ashtavakra never rejects sadhana as such. So, Mukta Sthiti, which we have seen the Lakshanas of the realized person in 17th chapter, Sarva Vismarana Yoga before that, and we have seen the Sarvatmatva Vibhuti in the previous one. So, the 3 chapters have been covered in the last teaching, and now we get to this Ashtadasha Adhyaya. Ashtavakra Uvacha Yasya bodhodaya tavat swapnavat bhavati pramaha tasmai sukhaika rupaya namaha santaya tejase. So, first time Ashtavakra is bowing down to somebody. Yasya bodhodaye tavat swapnavat bhavati pramaha. Yasya, by what? Bodha udaye, knowledge, dawn of the knowledge. By what knowledge's dawn? Dawn of the knowledge. Tavat brahmaha, satya brahma in the world, swapnavat bhavati, becomes like a dream. Tasmai, of that, sukhaika rupaya, sukha eka rupaya, namaha, sukhaika rupaya, santaya tejase namaha, santaya tejase sukha eka rupaya tasmai namaha. So, Ashtavakra starting this teaching by bowing down to somebody whose that somebody's knowledge dawns, the wisdom dawns, that wisdom makes the Brahma like Swapna, makes the Brahma of all the delusion is understood as dream by this realization, by whose realization, that realization which is Sukha Eka Rupa, Shanta and Tejase, which is bright, Shanta, peaceful, bright and blissful, Rupa of the form, that form, Namaha. So, this is what he is starting. So, it's a very, very interesting prayer to that wisdom which makes the delusion as dream, which is Sukheka Rupa, which is Santa, which is Tejase. I bow down. And with this bowing down, Ashtavakra started the teaching. This teaching is about what is the final goal of sadhana. But he is not talking about sadhana. That is a very interesting topic. अर्जयित्वा अखिलानर्थान् भोगानाप्नोति पुष्कलान् नहि सर्वपरित्यागमन्तरेण सुखी भवेत्. अखिलान् अर्थान् अर्जयित्वा, even acquiring all the arthas, all those desirable things. Pushkalan bhogan apnoti, having enjoyed, or pushkalan bhogan apnoti. Bhoga is consuming those ardhan. So ardhan arjayitva, first acquiring the ardhas, then enjoying those ardhas. Nahi sarvaparityagam antarena sukhi bhavet. Sarvaparityagam antarena, without giving up everything inwardly, na sukhi bhavet, na hi sukhi bhavet. One cannot attain the sukha. Here actually, if we look at the deep meaning of this, in Bhartruhari Vairagya Satakam 31, he says everything is having a fear. Bhoge roga bhayam, kule chuti bhayam, vitten rupalat bhayam, mane dainya bhayam, bale ripu bhayam, rupe jaraya bhayam, shastre vada bhayam, gune khala bhayam, kaye krutantat bhayam, sarvam vastu bhayanvitam bhuvinrunam vairagyameva bhayam. So this is in the bhoga, while enjoyments, roga bhayam. There is a fear of getting diseases. Kule, in the higher social status, chuti bhayam, falling from there, the fear of falling from there. Vitte, having wealth, nrupalat bhayam, the taxman's fear is there. Mane, dainya bhayam, in the great respect, dainya bhayam, becoming dina, the bhayam. Bale, in the power, ripu bhayam, the opponent's fear. Rupe, in the great beautiful, handsome, handsome body, rupe, in the rupa, beauty. Jaraya bhayam, old age's fear, fear of old age, which will remove that rupa. Shastre, in these shastras, all the sciences, shastras, vada bhayam, opponent who opposes this theory, and opponents vadi bhayam. Gune, in good qualities, khala bhayam. Kaye, in the body, krutantat bhayam, death fear, fear of death. Sarvam vastu bhayanvitam. So all these vastu are entangled with bhayanvitam. They are anvitam, they are merged, they are attached with bhaya. Bhuvi, in this bhuvi, nrunam, for the men, for the people, vairagyameva bhayam, giving up all these things is alone fearlessness, abhayam. So that meaning deeply, arjayitva akhilanardhan bhoganapnoti pushkalan nahi sarva parityagamantarena sukhi bhavet. So he, Ashtavakra gives, कर्तव्य दुःखमार्तांड ज्वाला दग्धांतरात्मनः कुत प्रसम पीयूष धारासारमृते सुखम सारामृते सुखम. कर्तव्य दुःखमार्तांड ज्वाला दग्धांतरात्मनः, one word, so it's a long word of one pada. Kartavya dukkha, so to be done something, a kartavya, the duty, those duties create the dukkha. Dukkha, martanda, comparing this with sun. Martanda jwala, so sun's scorching heat. Dagdha antaratmanaha, the inward atma, antaratma, is heated by the kartavya dukkha martanda jwala dagdha antaratmanaha. Kutaha prasama piyusha dhara saram rute sukham. Prasama piyusha dhara saram rute. So, prasamam piyusha, what antakarana, prasama piyusha dhara saram rute. Sankalpa vikalpa prasamam, amruta dhara saram. Only that prasama sukham, kutaha. Without that, this Piyusha is nectar. The nectar of Prasama Piyusha Dhara Saram Rute, going only by selecting the Prasama Piyusha Dhara Saram, essence of such Dhara, Piyusha Dhara Saram Rute, selection, is only Sukham, Kutas Sukham. Other than that, there is no Sukham. This is Dirgha Samasas. Bhavoyam Bhavanamatro Nakinchit Paramarthatah. Nastyabhavaha swabhavanam bhavabhava vibhavinam. This is another Vyasaghattam type sloka. Ayam bhavaha bhavanamatram. This world is only bhavana, is the sankalpa alone. Paramarthataha nakinchit. In the essential reality, it is nothing. Bhava, bhava, vibhavinam, bhava and abhava, which is coming out, bhava, abhava, going back, vibhavinam, swabhavanam, having this swabhava, its nature as appearing and disappearing, swabhavanam, abhavaha nasti. So, swabhavanam, abhavaha nasti, bhava, bhava, vibhavanam. So, what comes and goes is comes and goes, but the nature of coming and going is abhava, is not, there is no abhava. So in Gita, nasato vidyate bhavaha na abhavo vidyate sataha. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna gives this statement. The statement only is referred, or it is rephrased into this 4th sloka of 18th chapter. Naduram nacha sankocha labdhamevatmanah padam nirvikalpam nirayasam nirvikaram niranjanam. Nirvikalpam nirayasam niraayasam. Ayasa is effort, over effort. Vikalpa is imagination, nirvikalpa. Nirvikaram, non-transforming, niranjanam. Such, it is not naduram nacha sankocha. It is not far away, or it is never been limited by sankocha. It has never been limited into something. Labdhameva atmanah padam. That is the atmanah padam. So it is not far. It is not limited by the body. Having attained labdhameva atmanah padam, it will become nirvikalpam, nirayasam, nirvikaram, niranjanaha. Vyamoha matra viratau sarvaroopadamatrataha vetasoka virajante niravarana drushtayah. Vyamoha matra viratau. Anatma vyamohamu. Vyamoha is attachment. Moha, vimoha, vyamoha. Vyamoha matra viratau. That matra, that very root, very seed of vyamoha, matra viratau, given up. Sarvarupadana matrataha, swarupadana matrataha, vitasoka virajante, niravarana drushtaya. Niravarana drushtaya. Niravarana. Having removed the avarana, avarana is limitation. When you put a screen, the other side of the screen is not visible. Avarana, niravarana. Removing the screen, everything becomes visible. So, vetasoka virajante, by removing this vyamohas matra viratau surupadana matrataha, surupa of the swaswarupa grahanam matra. So, having the true nature of the self known and vyamohas nature is removed, vetasoka virajante niravarana drushtayah. Samastam kalpana matram atma muktah sanatanaha iti vijnaya dhirohi kimabhyasati balavat. Kimabhyasyati balavat. So what abhyasa is required if samastam kalpana matram atma muktah sanatanaha? Atma is ever free and eternal, Sanatana, Atma, Mukta, Sanatana iti Vignaya. Anything other than Atma is Samastam Kalpana Matram. Vignaya, Dhiraha, he, Kimabhyasyati Balavat. Why continue to practice? Why continues practice like a boy, Balavat? What is the need of continuing to practice? Having known the Mukta Sanatanaha Atma. Atma Brahmeti Nischitya Bhava Bhavau cha Kalpitau Nishkamaha Kim Vijanati Kim Brute cha Karoti Kim. Atma Brahmeti Nischitya, having concluded Atma as Brahma. Bhava Bhavau cha Kalpate. The emergence and merger back are only imaginations in it. Nishkamaha. Kim Vijanati, what will he know? Kim Brute, what to talk, what karoti Kim. Ayam soham ayam naham iti kshina vikalpanaha sarvam atmeti nischatya tushnim bhavatya tushnim bhutasya yoginaha sarvam atma iti nischatya naham iti soham ayam soham aham naham. So there are 11 types of vikalpas are listed. Ayam, this, saha, that or that person. Aham, I, ayam aham, this I am, soham, that I am, ayam saha, that this is that, soyam aham, saha ayam aham, that this I am, ayam naham, this not I am, sanaham, that not I am, soyam naham, that is not I am, I am na saha, this is not that. These are all different vikalpas, 11 type of vikalpas between this and that. This is known one form which is there, and that unknown far away object or something which is being imagined. In these 11 different types, somebody can describe this is that or this is not this and that, giving up all these things. Na vikshopo, na chaikagram, nati bodho, na modhata, na sukham, na chavadukham, upasantasya yoginaha. Upasantasya, one who has taken the peace, yoginaha, vikshepaha, na, all these vikshepas are not there. Ekagram, there is only one pointed buddhi, is also not there. Atibodhaha, there is nothing called bodhatsya. Modhata, there is no ignorance, modhata, not there. Sukham is not there, chava, dukkham is also not there. Swarajye bhaikshavruttaucha labhalabhe jinevane. In great kingdom, lordship on a Rajya, bhaikshavruttyacha are going into begging. Labha alabhe jene vane. In the labha alabha, or in the group of people, or in solitude of vana, a forest. Nirvikalpa swabhavasya navishoshosti yoginaha. There is nothing Vishesha, particular, special about any one of these differences. Kwadharma kvachava kamaha, kvacharthakva vivekata, idam krutam idam neti, dvandair muktasya yoginaha. So idam krutam idam neti. This I have done, this I need not do, or this is not been done. Kwadharma. That duality is gone away. Muktasya, one is freed from this kind of idam krutam idam neti. That duality. Yoginaha. Kwadharma kvachava kamaha. So subtly the sadhana is pointing to attaining such a state here. Krutam kimapi naivasti kapi hrudiranjana yadha jivanamevaha jivanmuktasya yoginaha. For jivanmukta yogi, krutyam kimapi na asti, whatever to be done, kartavyam na asti is not. Hrudayaranjana, whatever is making heart happier, ka api nasti. Iha, in this janma, yadha jivanam prarabdhavas, yadha jivanam, as it happens, eva syat. Only is there, that what comes is only there. There is nothing which is nothing that transactionally which is happening making happy or sad, or to be done, not to be done. Kya moha kvachava vishwam patadhanam ko muktata sarva sankalpa seemayam visrantasya mahatmanah. Sarva sankalpa seemayam visrantasya, one who has crossed over that Sarva Sankalpa Sema. The Sema is the Paridhi, is the boundary. Crossed over the boundary of Sarva Sankalpa, Sarva Sankalpas, all imaginations. Sarva Sankalpa Semayam Visrantasya. Crossing over Visrantasya Mahatmanaha. Where is Kwa Mohaha? Kvachava Vishwam. Where is the Vishwam? Kwadhanam. Dhanam kwa muktata. Where is the bondage and where is liberation? Yena vishwamidam društvam sanastiti karotu vai nirvasanaha kim kurute pasyannapi na pasyati. Yena, by whom, idam vishwam društam as nasti, as not there, iti karotu vai, by effort, by the effort, nirvasanaha, the core seed of vasanas, attachments, have been removed. Kinkurute pasyannapi na pasyati. Even he is looking at it is equivalent of not looking at it. Yena društam parabrahmam soham brahmeti chintayet kinchintayati nischinto dvitiyam yona pasyati. When second is not seen, kinchintayati nischinto, what is there to think of one who is having nischintaha? Soham brahmeti chintayet. Yena društam parabrahma. Yena brahma param društam. By whom the parabrahma has been seen. Saha aham brahma. Knowing that I am, that self alone is the Brahma. Iti chintayet yaha nischintaha. One who has gone above the seema, gone above the boundary of chittam. All chinta happens within the chittam, within the memory, within the boundaries of memory. One who has crossed the boundaries of memory, what is that? There is nothing, no dual, dvitiyam yona pasyati, there is no second is been seen. So the nirvasanaha, here sankalpa seemantaha has been told, and now the chittam nischintaha is being explained here. Drushto yen atma vikshepo nirodham kurutetyasau udarastu na nikshiptaha sadhya bhavat karoti kim. Yena atma vikshepaha, for the atma, for the self, vikshepaha, transformation, drushtaha, asau tu nirodham. So there is, as long as that nikshepa has seen, nirodham kurute, one who has to control the mind. Udaraha, but one who has seen the self as self alone, there is no vikshiptaha. Sadhya bhava, there is nothing else to be sadhya, to be attained. Kanirodha, kinkaroti, what need to be done? Chitta vrutti nirodha is yoga. This yoga nirodha is required only as long as vruttis are there. Once crossing over the vrutti, there is no nirodha. Dhiro loka viparyasto vartamanopi lokavat na samadhin na vikshepan na lepam swasya pasyati. Dhiraha lokavat, like ordinary people, vartamanaha api, even he is working like a ordinary person, loka vivartasya. So for the lokas vivarta, what is happening in the swasya samadhim na pasyati, he will not see that vivarta. Vikshepan na pasyati, lepam na pasyati. So nothing which is being lost, being gained, being transformed, or being established in the samadhi also is not seen. Bhava bhava vihino yah struptro nirvasano bodhaha naiva kinchit krutam tena lokadrushtya vikurvata. By truptaha, one who is contented, nirvasanaha, bhava bhava vihenaha, jnani buddhaha, lokadrushtya, in the view of loka, vikurvata, while he being doing Tena kinchit naiva krutam, nothing being done by him. So we reach at the 20th sloka. So wonderful sloka again. Pravrutto va nivrutto va naiva dhirasya durgraha. Yada yat kartumayati tat krutva tishtati sukham. Yada yat kartrum ayati. Whatever comes naturally a work to him. Tat krutva tishtata sukham. Having done that, he is ever established in happy. Pravruttava, in the pravrutti of attaining something, going forward. Nivruttava, giving up something. Naiva dhirasya durgraha. There is nothing difficult, durgraha, to be taken, not to be taken by the yada yat kartrumayati, whatever needed to be done. Tatkrutva tishtati sukham, one who is sitting, doing that what comes naturally onto him. Nothing is pravrutti nor nivrutti. So both pravrutti and nivrutti are removed from those, that dhiraha, who takes the things as they come, where there is no madness of doing. Durgraha dhirasya. So pravruttav or nivruttav. In the pravrutti or nivrutti, that graha, durgraha, having that mandatory thing that I have to achieve this is not there in both the cases. So with that we have covered 20 slokas, which will continue further in the next part. Swasti.